Hi, I'm Alia. So today I will try and explain to you how to say you like something or you like doing something in Slovenian, or if you don't like something or you don't like doing something. So if you like an object or a person, in Slovenian we say všeč. Všeč. Okay, this is to like. So všeč mi je knjiga. I like the book. Všeč mi je knjiga. Knjiga is book, okay? But if you don't like the book, you would say knjiga mi ni všeč. Mi ni všeč. So you just switch je with ni. Okay, so knjiga mi je všeč. I like the book. Knjiga mi ni všeč. I don't like the book. And if you want to say you like reading books, so the verb is there, right? We say Rada, berem, knjige. Even though Rada translates actually to love something, here when it's used with verb, it actually means to like doing something. So, or even to love doing something, but usually we just say Rada berem knjige. Rada berem knjige. I like reading books. But it changes if you say I do not like reading books, you say ne maram. Okay, so ne maram brati knjig. I do not like reading books. Okay, as you can see, if you say Rada berem, so jaz berem to conjugate, ti bereš, you read. Jaz berem, ti bereš. But when you say ne maram, you use the infinitive form. So ne maram brati knjig. Ne maram poslušati glasbe. I do not like listening to music. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. If you have any more questions, please just write them down in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!